Today we try the 510, the American style food. Here they have two chicken with the bread 590, and we are going to try the cheapest one. One full chicken is $10.50. We are going to try the half chicken, which is actually 590, 19. So we order this one. So this one, see how this one comes with butter rice chicken. So we see how this one comes. So after order, they will give this one. If this one click, our half chicken rice will be ready. And for the half chicken rice, I buy two drink. One is barley and another is honey. Each one is actually $1.50. So I'm very thirsty. I'm going to change the honey first. Light a sip, give a good taste out. I think so. They are going to make our thing ready. See how they make. Wow, a plastic box. Wow, with half chicken. Pack. Wow, put in the cover. So this one will be beef, then ours is ready. Thank you. I normally eat bunkus and plate. Bunkus means parcel. I won't eat in the kitchen plate because I worried how they clean. That is my standard. So if I pay 50 cents or something that is more is also okay for me. And this is this one. Wow, this one break. This one also break. Are very difficult to open. There's two break ready. Now it is very difficult to open. Finally, I open using my thumbnail. Wow, that place I buy, they never give this vegetable, but they charge around $6.90 plus 30 cents or 40 cents per parcel. Here they charge $5.90 plus 50 cents per parcel. I'll change the leaf first. And the packet quality is also very nice actually. So I'll put the sauce here. Normally, you avoid plastic. Don't throw the small plastics. You tear 75% or 50% and squeeze. Because plastic is the biggest damage for the earth. Still they give the plastic. At least you make it as one plastic. Don't make it as a two plastic dirt. Okay. Just I tasted the leg. We'll taste the rice. Hey, this rice is very nice. They put ginger, butter. The other place I buy the rice, it's all never they put the ginger, and here they put the butter also. Really, taste is very nice actually, and the price is also very competitive. So now what we'll do, we'll put the vegetable. I don't know the vegetable name. If you know the vegetable name, please tell me. Chicken. Put some rice, mix with the sauce. It's really amazing. I never tasted with the sauce and rice before. This is the first time I'm tasting. What do you think about this shop? Please comment.